In a land of magic and wonder, a dragon named Doodle lived with a special talent that set him apart from the rest of his kind. A loud sneeze that could be heard for miles. A sneaky thief with a heart full of malice set his sights on stealing the king's most precious treasure, a golden crown adorned with precious gems and jewels. As the thief reached for the crown, Doodle stood guard, his eyes fixed on the potential thief, and with a sudden burst of air, he let out a massive sneeze that shook the castle walls.
Create amazing videos like this using Realcraft AI.